Hello, my Herbal Academy friends. I'm Hannah Lasorsa, and I'm the teacher behind the Herbal Academy's new summer workshop, Flower Pressing for Herbalists. In this workshop, you'll learn how to press and preserve the plants growing right outside your door. You'll also learn how to use your beautiful pressed plants to further your herbal studies and decorate your home. I share the tried and true techniques that I've fine-tuned over years of pressing my own herbs, including tips for how to press difficult plants like bee balm and echinacea. We'll explore the materials you need to get started, different types of plant presses, and a DIY project for making your own plant press at home. If you don't love the idea of making your own plant press, then you'll want to check out the beautifully engraved Birchwood Field Flower Press that you can purchase as an add-on to this workshop. After you're comfortable using your press, we'll move on to a collection of really fun craft projects designed specifically for herbalists. We'll create a mounted herbarium page that you can frame to hang on your wall or add to your Materia Medica. You'll even see a sneak peek into my personal Materia Medica as an example of how to use your pressed plant specimens in your herbal studies. Another one of my favorite projects is the DIY jar labels made with pressed plants. They're so easy to make and beautiful to see throughout the day. Doors to the Flower Pressing for Herbalists workshop open on June 21st, the summer solstice. But you can enroll now to save your spot. This is a summer workshop, so when summer's over, enrollment will close. I hope to see you in class, and don't hesitate to contact the Herbal Academy team if you have any questions. Happy pressing!